Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel The Informant. If someone is new to this channel, let me just remind you that we make videos related to online services, placement drives, education and many more. In this video, we will be sharing a very important information of KCET option entry, how to add, delete, rearrange options in option entry. So guys, this video will be helpful if you are trying to add for the first time also, or after the mock allotment result, or after the first round result or second round result. So in each step this video will be helpful, because in mock allotment, after mock allotment you can have an option to add, but after first round result you don't have an option to add the colleges. Just you can modify, delete or rearrange, that's all. So that's why in this video I will be telling how you can add colleges also, and how you can modify or delete the option which you have already entered. So watch the video till the end so that you don't miss any important information regarding this KCET option entry. And guys, if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel, because in our future videos we will be telling how to select the choice entry also, choice 1, choice 2, choice 3, choice 4. So still so many videos are yet to come. So if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel. And how many colleges we can select maximum, many people were asking, we can select 10 or 100 or how many. So each and everything I will try to cover in this video. So let us start our video. So first thing is entering the option. So now I know many people have already have entered and mock allotment results also came. So I hope everyone have got the preferred colleges which you were having in your mind. So congratulations to all the people, those who have got the good colleges. But still, if you have not got the good college, there is one more option. So this mock allotment, it's just a trial and error type. So we have made a detailed video on mock allotment. So link will be provided in the description. You can watch that video. So now you have one more chance to add the colleges what you have not added. So I think you got a clarity which college you have got. And now CET and NEET is combined. So together they are doing the option entry. So wait for all the results. So they will take so much time to allot the results, because NEET and CET is combined going on option entry. So it will take some time, so have patience. So as you all know, the schedule is already out, and first round official round seat allotment result will be on 21st of August. So this is just a mock allotment result. So now let me tell you how you can enter the option. So we have made a detailed video on KCET option entry, step by step procedure, how you can add the choices. So I will be providing link in the description. You can watch that video. And but still in this video also I will tell high level how you can add the options. So example, if you click on candidates option entry, you will land it to the option entry selection portal. There you have to select the preferred colleges whichever you want. So already you might have selected some 20, 30 or 50, 60. So guys, don't worry, you can select 100 of colleges also, 100, 200. It's your choice. There is a no limit. So you can add many colleges, and it's not like just you have to add engineering colleges. You can add farm science or agriculture, anything. So in this option itself you have to add these options. So 30, 35 colleges you have selected, and if you have got 28th position or 21st position. So from 21 to 35, whatever colleges you have added, that will get deleted. But now it won't get deleted, because this is just mock allotment result. So after first round, if you have allotted that particular college, means the 21 to 35 will get deleted. So now you can change. No, I want this 23rd position should be on up, so that you can interchange. So I will tell you how to modify in my next slide. So how to add? So just I will tell you high level. Just you can go to course code or college type, like that. If college type, you can select whichever college you want. Example, RV College of Engineering you have selected. So then you can select any branches: civil, mechanical, computer science, electronics and communication. So based on order you have to give. So computer science will be always first priority, first, then information science second, like that. So first, if you are planning to complete all the branches in RV, first you have to complete each and everything. 1 to 5 will be RV college only. So like this you will add the colleges. And then now I want to add option entry for farm science. So from sixth position you can add for farm science also. So it's not like you have to add separate for option in engineering and separate for farm science agriculture. So many people were asking in the comment box, so I have cleared now. So this is how you can add the colleges. So make sure after first round seat allotment you don't have an option to select the colleges. Before mock allotment you can do whatever you want. So this is how you can enter the options. So modify order of option. Go to modify selected option window. As you can see, I have showed in the second column. Change the number, type the number in the option field for new priority. Example, so if you have selected 10th if you have selected 10th college as computer science engineering in BMS, but the 10th college you want in second priority, just what you have to do, so instead of 10 you have to give it as 2. That will come in second position, and second college position will come on third position. Like that you can modify the options. So if you click on update button in the options, it will get updated. So already numbers will get added. So just you need to modify the numbers. So make sure that numbers are not repeating. So you have to change that order also. So 10th position, if you are shifting to 2, so second position will be shifted to third. So that you have to modify properly. So I think you are clear now how to modify the option or rearrange the options. So you can have this after first round seat allotment result also, second round also, but after first round seat allotment you can't add the colleges. That's the thing. How to delete the option? So you have to again go to the modify selected option second window and enter number 0. No, I don't want civil engineering in RV College of Engineering. I don't want mechanical engineering in BMS, like that. I want computer science only as my priority, like that. Because after mock allotment result, I got a clarity that I can get a computer science itself, like that. So what you can do, just you can click, you can add 0 on that. If you click on 0 and if you click on update button, that will get deleted. That is how you have to delete. You need to give example 5th position college you want to remove. So instead of 5 you give 0, it will get deleted. So guys, I think you all are clear now how to add also, modify also, delete also. If you have any doubt you can ask in the comment box. I will try to clear your doubt. So after that, just click on update button. You will get your new list what you have changed after mock allotment. So this is all about our today's video. So thank you for watching our video. If you feel our content informative, please do like, subscribe, share and stay tuned.